GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
God, it's hot today. So I haven't been to Tolchester Beach for about 2 or 3 years now. Last time I was there, I didn't catch anything. So today I'm gonna go and try it, and hopefully today is different. Okay, let's go. The last time I was here, I scraped myself so bad on the rocks that I promised not to come back here again. So we are officially fishing on Tolchester Beach. This first rig that I have here is basically just a regular bottom rig. Here comes the wave. We're good. Worst case scenario, we're gonna end up on the beach. Are you gonna use a big hook? Oh, you already have a hook? Oh, it stopped again. GoPro, start recording. There you go. I have to apologize because the GoPro all of a sudden did not work. There you go. First catch of the day. A big white catfish. I think they call it white catfish because, see that? That's white. Alright, time to go, buddy. Time to go. Ready? 1, 2. Bye-bye. We're not gonna lose footage this time. We're just gonna have to use one anchor. So, take this rope and tie it on his kayak. That should do the trick. There you go. Here, you tie it where you can grab it. That was a good catch. I wasn't even using a big hook. This is, I think, number 2. Yeah, it's a tiny hook.
You can name a hook by a number system or an odd system. Personally, I prefer the odd system, and I usually start with using a number 2 odd.
So this time I'm not gonna put the whole thing, I'm gonna cut this in half. Alright, start with that. If the hook is too little, let me know. Oh, yeah, it felt like I caught something. Let's see. A croaker. A croquet. You want some croquet? Cute little fish. You hear that? It's croaking. Here you go, fella. Bye. Finally. Go, 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 don't let it go. Oh, it's a white catfish again. Oh no, it's not. It's a channel catfish. Man, finally he caught a fish. I thought I'm the only one who's gonna catch a fish today. You need gloves? I have a gloves here if you want. Grab it behind those 2 fins. He's actually a pro bass fisherman. But when it comes to, oh my lord, look at that. Look at how his whole... Did you use all the bait? I'm gonna go try and see if I can get a bite using this lure. So I'm gonna switch bottom rig and lure and bottom rig and lure. Okay, one more time. And then I'm gonna use the bottom rig again. Alright, fish number 2. Yeah, it's a catfish day, alright. It's tiny, it's a baby. Wait, hold on. Let me take a picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. If this is a big catfish, I'm keeping it. Okay. Well. Yeah, oh yeah, this is small. This is a juvie. Fish number 4, I think. Yeah, it's a skinny fish. This is a baby channel catfish. Yeah, this is a baby. All right, time to go, buddy. Time to go. Okay, easy. Ready? And go. This section right here is about 30 to 35 feet. Uh-oh, striped bass. What's a snag? Yeah, you caught a rockfish, all right. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Yes. Oh! Lost it. I want to catch a big perch. Go home and fry it. Here. I'm going to give them a bait that they cannot refuse. Keep it! Please keep it! He is going to give me a fish. It's a charity fish. No bite over there. So I think we're gonna go back to that area where we came in. We have a little bit more luck over there. Here comes the boats behind us. This is a perch. Yeah. Yes. Oh no. It's a croaker. That's a big croaker. Alright. Maybe if we can catch 3 or 4 more of these, we can deep fry them. It looks like it's about to rain, look. And it's heading this way. Well, I think I'm gonna make this one my last drop for today because it looks like it is about to rain. Look at that. So if I catch anything with this, even better. But if I don't, then we still had fun. Come on. Yeah, there it is. You can feel it. The rain's starting to drop. All right, there you go, guys. No more catch. Time to go. So I think this will be the end of the video. Not because we're not having fun or anything like that. We did manage to catch some fish, a few croakers, a few white perch, and I think a couple of catfish or so. So overall, it was a fun day and it was a good day. The reason why we're leaving is because of that. That is rain, and it's about to hit over here in a few minutes. So we really don't have any good option but to go home, just for safety reasons. So that said, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next fishing trip. Peace.
Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes, and you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh.
We really don't have any choice but to go home. In front of me is a big dark cloud. Look.
GoPro, stop recording.